This video will talk about the product rule of differentiation. Let big f of x equals the small f of x times g of x. Then the derivative of the big f of x is equal to the derivative of the small f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. And here is the product rule in Leibniz notation. Okay, now let's look at one example. Find the following derivative. Do not simplify. Okay, so according to the product rule, this should equal to the derivative of, well, this is considered f of x, right? And this is considered g of x. So according to the rule, let me write down the rule first. That's take the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. Okay, so right, derivative of f of x, that's the derivative x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7. Okay, this times g of x. 3x squared minus 5x. So we're halfway done. Plus f of x, which is x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7 times the derivative of g of x. So that's, I'll write it in Leibniz notation, d dx, 3x squared minus 5x. All right. Okay, so now the derivative of this expression, that is 4x cubed minus 6x squared, right, that's it, right, times 3x squared minus 5x, okay, plus, write this down, that's x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7 times, okay, the derivative of that expression, that is 6x minus 5, and it says do not simplify. I will just leave my answer like this. That is the derivative of the original function. Okay, now let's look at this example. Find the derivative of y, where y equals 8x squared plus 3 times 2x minus 7 plus 4 over x. Okay, so obviously this is a multiplication, and we can consider the first binomial as our f of x, and second binomial as our g of x. And applying the product rule, the prime, or y prime, or the derivative of y equals, we can say it's the derivative of the f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. Okay, so first of all, the derivative of f of x, that will be 16x, right? That's it. The derivative of 3 is 0 times 2x minus 7 plus 4 over x. All right, over here plus, that's f of x, just write it down as how it is. The derivative of g of x, okay, let's differentiate term by term. So here's 2, right? Derivative of 2x is 2. Minus 7, the derivative of negative 7 is 0. So now it comes to the derivative of 4 over x. You can see that as 4 times x to the negative 1. So knowing that, That's easier. That's negative 4, because you're moving negative 1 to the front, right? Times x to the negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2 here. Okay, let's organize this a little bit. Let's distribute, right? That is 32x squared. 16 times 7, that is, what is 16 times 7? 112. So minus 112x plus, that's 64, right? Plus, okay, so do the multiplication here. That's 16x squared. And do that. That's minus 32. That's it. And this is plus 6 minus 12x to the negative 2. Right. Combine like terms. Where are the like terms? These two. And so that is, what is that? 48. Is it? 48x squared. X term, there's only one x term, which is here, minus 112x. All right, then constant term, there's 64, negative 32, plus 6. So that's 32 plus 6, plus 38. All right, and there's only one term left, minus, which is this term, minus 12x to the negative 2. I will write it as 12 over x squared. And that will be the answer.